Now I am going to teach you how to practice digestive breathing awareness practice. After the lunch and dinner or any kind of heavy meals whenever we are eating, you see our energy goes to the belly to digest the food. That's why we cannot focus our mind. That's why after having the meals, it is not recommended to meditate. If you meditate, you fall asleep. So here I am guiding you how can you practice digestive breathing awareness practice. This practice help you to receive much amount of oxygen and that allow your food to digest. It's very simple. And also this practice gives you relaxation so that you can control your sleep. So suppose you eat your lunch 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. and then what happened after you did it? You come to your bed or come to the floor and here lie down. Lying down in Savasana. In this position, take 5 to 10 breaths in the both nostrils and relax your whole body. Immediately you feel very much relaxed. And then what you do? Bring your feet together, bend your knees, bring your left arm over your head, turn to your left side and bring a pillow and put the pillow under your head, and you can place your left arm like this or whatever is possible, and right arm on your body like this. Once you understand the position, then bring your awareness to the right nostril. Right nostril is called Pingala Nadi, the sun nadi. So just observe the breathing in the right nostril, nothing need to do. Just observe. It's Anapana practice for the right nostril only. All your awareness, all your focus in the right nostril. And just observe how the breath is moving from your right nostril all the way down to the belly, and exhaling from the belly go out from your right nostril. You can do it for 10 minutes. Okay? For 10 minutes if you do, you find very much relaxed and you get enough oxygen to digest your food. After this, come to the Savasana. If you want, you can remove this pillow. Do not give a big pillow under your head, just small thin pillow is nice. And then just take a 5 to 10 breath in this Savasana. Then again bend your knees, turn to the right side, and the same way you lie down on the right side. You can place a pillow under your head and place your left arm on your body and breathe. Breathe in the left nostril, in the Chandra Nadi. Give all your focus in the left nostril. Total focus in the left nostril for around 10 minutes. Now lie down in Savasana. Savasana you can do for 10 minutes. In Savasana, just observe the movement of the belly. Just observe the movement of the belly for the 10 minutes. And then again bend your knees, turn to the left side and lie down on your belly. And here do the Makarasana for 10 minutes. After your 10 minutes, then stretch your legs, arms and turn to the left side. Take 2-3 breaths here. And come to the sitting position. This is the 40 minutes practice. You can make it small in 20 minutes, 5 minutes in left side, you turn, then 5 minutes right side, 5 minutes in Makarasana and 5 minutes in Savasana. That becomes 20 minutes. It depends on you. Okay, so in this 20 minutes to 40 minutes exercises, your whole body is ready and you feel very much relaxed and ready to meditate. Okay, so after each lunch you are going to do this, and after each dinner you are going to walk for 20 minutes. 20 minutes digestive walk is going to do, so that help you to digest your food and help you to go to your practice very nicely. Thank you so much. Namaste.